Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your Rogue is on and the infotainment is awake, and your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. If you're using a cable, plug a certified Lightning cable into the correct USB port in the center console. For wireless, put the phone close to the screen. Once done, tap the phone or settings icon on the Nissan display to start pairing. This step initiates the CarPlay handshake and lets the car discover the phone. You now authorize the connection. On the vehicle display, choose your iPhone from the Bluetooth list and confirm the PIN shown on both screens. Make sure you accept any prompts on the iPhone to allow CarPlay and permit contact and notification access. Without these permissions, apps may not appear correctly. Then enable Siri if not already on. CarPlay relies on it for hands-free tasks. Finally, use the Nissan touchscreen to arrange or enable CarPlay apps, so your most used apps show first. Finish by testing key functions. Start navigation, place a call, and play audio so you can confirm sound routing and touchscreen control. If something's off, first disconnect and reconnect the cable or toggle wireless CarPlay off and on. Reboot the iPhone and the Rogue's infotainment system next. Make sure iOS is current, and if problems persist, delete the vehicle from iPhone Bluetooth and remove the phone from the car's pairing list before repeating the setup. This clears cached pair data that commonly causes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.